Hello guys, today I've got the JBL Quantum 650 and I'm going to show you how to clean them. So, as you can see, the first thing that I recommend to do is to take this cap from here and remove this battery. This is the first thing that you need to do. So now you can put this cap over here back again. So at first, what I recommend to do to clean are the earpads. Remove this first one using just a simple pull, because these are the magnetic. As you can see, that's how it works. So these are magnetic. So remove the earpads and clean them. Wipe them with a damp cloth and mild soap. Ensure that no moisture enter the drivers, and use cotton swabs of alcohol for nooks and mesh areas, like over here. And air dry all components completely. For example, with some compressed air or something like that, and then you'll be good to go. Apart from that, you need to remember to never machine wash actually your earpads. And the same as the left one, take here this right one. You can clean your whole headphones, like here and here, using just a cloth, so don't worry. And what about this? Here, as you can see, we have headband. Wipe this headband with some damp cloth to remove sweat and oils. And as for the exterior, like I said, your headphones, you can just wipe it again, as I said, with some cloth. It can be either alcohol or some mild soap or something like that. But remember to, as I said, remove the battery. And to finish this video, I can tell you that as for the microphone ports, you can use a dry cotton swab or soft brush to remove the dust from the microphone ports. Avoid inserting moisture directly into the ports. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.